pineapple caps, and they work really well on top of any diameter of round beads, and they're really cute. Here I have a raw lava stone that is 8 mm, but it works equally well with anything that's even bigger or flat topped. And I have a 24 gauge wire head pin. Then what I do is, using my round nose pliers, I make a loop like this. And if you have a death grip like mine, switch to chain nose pliers, the flat pliers, straighten out, and then just keep turning around and then trim. You could first add your soldered ring onto it if you're going to make a pendant, you want a large ring, or this would work very well for earrings.